Hello, welcome to my video resume. So before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Ishtiaq and I have 3 years of experience as a WordPress developer. So if I talk about my educational background, I have done bachelor's in information and technology from one of the reputable university of Pakistan, Bahauddin Zakir University. And then after that, I started working as WordPress developer. First of all, I joined Vuzex as a WordPress developer. There, I work closely with my colleagues and fellows to meet the desired results. There was basically a dashboard system where all of our ratings were maintained from the client side. So my dashboard maintained 4.9 out of 5 rating there. Then I joined Next Step Solutions. There I also work same as I working in the WSX. And then currently I am working at Gateways as a WordPress developer from last 3.5 years. So here I have single-handedly maintained or developed more than 35 plus websites. So I developed and customized websites for the client across multiple industries. I collaborated with the SEO team as well to maintain the on-page SEO of the website. Then I make sure the website optimization score is above 95 plus. Now, if you talk about my skill set, so I am a WordPress developer along with WordPress designer as well. Then I create my basically specialty is creating in dynamic websites with using ACF and Jet Engine. So basically these both are the same plugins, but I prefer Jet Engine in which we can create custom post type taxonomies and do a lot of stuff in there. So basically Jet Engine comes under the umbrella of CrocoBlog. So CrocoBlog offer multiple plugins. So that's why it is better to use than ACF. So I have strong grip on both of them. It depends on client need or demand. Then I also can create custom hooks, filters and post types and taxonomies as well. Then I can do theme customization as well, and then plugin customization sometimes when there is a demand or need from client side. In server management, basically, I manage all of the stuff like domain transfer or, website migrations or transfer, and then cPanel handling as well. I have strong grip of on Elementor. So basically Elementor, I am using Elementor as my prior theme builder. So I have vast experience in that because I have developed almost all of my website using Elementor. So I have experience with some other theme builders as well, for example WP Bakery or DB Builder, but I prefer Elementor over all of these because of its dynamic range or solutions it offers. Then I have strong grip on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Basically, these three when combines, they can skyrocket your WordPress website because sometimes the client need changes in structure of the website. So HTML helps there. Sometimes they need style changes. So CSS helps there. So sometimes they want to inject some JavaScript code as well. So JavaScript helps there. So basically, I have also, experience on these three languages as well. Then, as I said, I have on-page experience with on-page SEO and technical SEO as well. So there are some other skills as well. For example, I a little bit will know about React JS, and then Tailwind for as a CSS framework, and then I can do video editing or Filmora, and then some basic graphic designing skills using Photopea and Canva. Now, if I talk about some plugins and tool that I'm currently using, so I'm using Elementor, then Jet Engine, then Canva, then Lovable. Basically, it's a vibe coding tool through which we can do vibe coding. Then Filmora for video editing, then ChatGPT for sometimes if we need some little help, so I use this as my assistant. Then Bold for again vibe coding, then Photopea, then Self-Night Accelerator for acceleration of the WordPress website, then WordFence basically for security purpose or for the WordPress website, then Pixelite for image types conversion, because sometimes designers give us images in PNG or JPEG. So basically I convert them to WebP format. Basically this is uh, recommended by the Google. So then LearnDash, learning management system on the WordPress, then Figma, and list continues as I use many other plugins as well. So as you can see, this is some of my work highlight. So in this particular website, I have integrated GSAP library, which is basically a JS library to make websites animated. So as you can see, when I scroll down, the cards are stacking on each other. And when I scroll up, the again cards reveal themselves. And also on hover, we are also showing some animations. Now there is another animation as well. So when I scroll down, the cards come from the right side and stack in the middle, and then again on scrolling down, so they again disappear. So basically all of this is happening on scroll trigger function, which is basically a GSAP function through which whenever I scroll up or down, we can control the behavior of the element of on our website. So remember, this pure theme is developed using only Hello Elementor, and then all of these sections are developed by custom coding, not by the theme functionality or any widgets or plugin. Then another portfolio or my work highlight, as you can see, I have developed another website. All of these widgets or plugins, all of these sections are custom built. I have not use any theme or plugin for all of these. So basically, I integrate GSAP for animations, and then I can by using CSS or all of these, I can make sections more appealing and up to the standards. And then again, there is another website I recently worked on this for the Finovate company. So basically, as you can see, the SVG animations on hover, and then the other sections. So basically, they are appearing when I'm scrolling down, and then SVG map integration as well. So from this, you can take idea where my expertise stand out or where my front end designing stands out. So as I talk about SEO side, so on my on page, I have strong grip on page SEO. So basically, this is some results for the recent websites we have developed. So in all of these, my work was to make sure that all of these websites have proper on page SEO, in that title optimization, URL optimization, permalink optimization, and then paragraph optimization, and internal linking, external linking, image optimization, speed optimization. So all of these work on these sites are done by me. So as you can see, we have also great results achieved in the last few months. Then as I talk about optimization of the website, so as you can see, page speed inside showing 100 out of 100 on mobile and desktop for one of my recent websites. So basically, to achieve that result or score, I do not use any extra plugins. I basically make sure that websites are developed by using as much as less plugins. So basically, many developers, they just inject many plugins into WordPress, which obviously make sites slower, because whenever they use any of the plugin, that plugin makes server request for the JS and CSS files. So whenever our website is accessed, so these plugins are making server request, which is causing a load on the server, obviously, which slows down the speed of our website. So I make sure I use as much as less plugin. So all of other functionalities, like if I can do with custom coding, so I prefer doing with custom coding rather than installing multiple plugins. So as you can see, some of other sites as well. So this is also 95 plus score, and then as you can see, almost close to the 100 score. This is my some of Fiverr reviews. So basically, I do not work on Fiverr right now. So basically, I was working lastly like 6 months ago, I guess. So in that I do not work much. So this is basically total a total of my clients. So as you can see, they have also great experience with me, and they left some good words for me. You can check that. Now, why should you should hire me? So, as I said, I have more than 35 plus live website experience. So obviously, you can take benefit of that. And then I am always ready to deliver exceptional and up to marks and as per your expectation and desires. Then obviously I am a good team player. Currently, I am working as a senior. So basically, there are 2 to 3 juniors working under me. So I can lead the team as well. Then committed to continuous improvement as in my skill sets along with my personality as well. Then problem solver and tech savvy as well. So this is the conclusion, or this is all from me. So if you want to boost your business, or you are looking for a passionate WordPress developer, so you can definitely hire me, because my goal is your satisfaction is my goal. So thanks a lot for taking time and watching my video presentation.